Yesterday, I warned you about 7320 levels on FTSE100, 12,939.50 levels on Germany 40. Look at the beauty of the markets. Precisely both of these getting reversed, getting pushed back on the downside from the same level. And see what we had seen, almost a 100-point drop. It has again come back to 7220 and Germany at 12,700. I hope you all profited. Now what is going to happen today, which position you should take in order to make profit, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake, and missing on to watch till the end is missing on the profits. Do watch till the end, do subscribe, do like, share and comment too. Let's start the analysis. First, we'll look into Germany 40, followed with FTSE 100. Do watch till the end. Do note down the level. These are the hourly charts for Germany 40. 12,800. Very strong support. It has breached it again. And it has come down to 12,700 levels. So now this is the zone which is precisely the no trade zone for Germany 40. Do not trade anything in between 12,700 and 12,820 levels. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is trading flat near to bottom. If you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, 12,700, rather I will say 12,680. This is going to be a stronger support for Germany 40. See, from here the rally has started. It has seen the highs. It has come back to these levels, breaking below 12,680, which will call for 12,600 directly. And below 12,600, we can expect. See, I have always maintained my position. 12,400 is a very strong support for Germany 40. So first it has to breach 12,600. Below that, you can expect that it is going to hit 12,400 directly. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD has just crossed over. This is just 2 candles apart. It is diverging and it is indicating more bearishness. RSI at bottom. On the 3-hour charts, higher lows, lower highs, first red candle. This is a breakout candle. Possibility exists that below 12,700, 12,680 is the target, and then 12,600 is going to be a very strong support. This time it will breach 12,600. We can expect it to drop till towards 12,400. Directional movement so far is bullish, trying to converge crossover. Stochastic is entering into oversold zone. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for a sell entry. This candle will decide whether it is going to continue with the bearish momentum, continue to diverge and continue to remain bearish from here forward. RSI is trading flat in the comfortable zones. And on the 4-hour chart, this has come out of this channel and this is a bearish, you can say, move. Now below 12,700, 12,680, and then we can see 12,600. In fact, this time it may breach below 12,600. You can expect 12,500 and 12,400, which is an ultimate resistance. Directional movement is bullish so far. It is willing to converge crossover for a sell entry. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a sell entry. RSI is looking downwards. On the daily charts, if you look at, see on the daily charts, previous candle gave a stronger pullback, and now it indicates a stronger wick, indicates that the bears are trying to take the charge out there, and it also indicates that one should not buy till it is below 12,820. Now the reversal might take it this time below 12,600. This is also very much possible. Couple of retracement candles, sharp red candle, couple of retracement candles, sharp red candle. Hence, possibility for it to drop till towards 12,600 exists. Directional movement bearish, bullish, and it is trying to converge here. Stochastic is trying to come out of the oversold zone. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge and crossover. RSI is looking downwards again. Considering this, yes, you can go short below 12,700, 680 levels, and then 12,600 is going to be an important resistance for Germany 40. If it trades below 12,400, you can expect a sharper drop in Germany. And at the same time, if it trades about 12,820, go long, you can expect 12,900 again. In between 12,600 and 12,900, you have to trail your stop losses. Trade accordingly, take your positions accordingly. trail your stop losses. Do not forget to like, share, and yes, if you wish to learn the same art of trading profitably, taking right entries, right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. This is a 15 days live webinar sessions for 90 minutes daily. Yes, the strategies taught and the methodologies provided will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Also, the lifetime support which comes with it, definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions throughout your life. So reach out to me for more details. My telegram channel, telegram personal id, and my email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Also, you can become a patron and support the effort which I am putting specifically for FTSE100 and Germany40. The patron site link and link is mentioned in the channel and video description too. Now let's start with FTSE100. FTSE100 on the hourly charts, you can clearly see it has created a bottom at around 7260, and after that it started another round of fall and come back till towards 7220. Those who know FTSE well, yes, 7200 is a very imminent support. Below that we can expect it to drop more, and on the upside 7 to 60 now is going to be the resistance there. Beyond 7 to 60 you can again expect it to rise for 7300 plus levels. We'll look into more details. Directional movement is divergent and it is bearish here. Stochastic is near to bottom. The MACD is divergent and it is bearish. The RSI is near to bottom too. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, if you see, consolidated here, remain stagnant at 7 to 60 for a while, and then it slits sharply. 7 to 20 is a good support zone, and then 7 to 10, 7 to 100, 7180. Be watchful till 7180. If it breaks this, then 7160, and below that we may see a good crash for 7120, 7100. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold on the 2-hour charts. Possibility of it to rise exists. MACD is divergent and it is bearish. Be careful with the longs till the time it trades in the bearish territory. RSI is trading comfortable, neither oversold nor overbought. Look at the 3-hour charts. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, 7 to 60, and yes, it is given a breakout below 7 to 60. Also remember, see, it has come out of this bullish channel. This is a breakout candle, and possibility for it to sustain in this breakout candle exists. Possibility for it to sustain, achieve 7180, 7170, 7160 levels and 7150 levels is very high. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic is oversold. MACD has just crossed over. This is the first red candle. It is divergent. I expect it to continue with the bearish momentum. RSI trading near to bottom. On the 4-hour charts, this is the second red candle, and yes, after a step candle there, this is the first red candle. So yes, after this you can expect couple more red candles which might take it till towards 7150 levels. Directional movement bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic entering into oversold zone, and MACD must cross over from here, and hence you can expect couple of more red candles. RSI looking downwards. On the daily charts, look at the daily charts. The possibility for it to achieve 7180 at least exists, and in fact below that 7160, 7150 levels can be seen. The directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It is trying to converge a little. The RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, only by entry, only by level today is 7 to 60. Till the time it trades below 7 to 60, I will expect it to achieve 7180, 7160 and 7150 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Do not trade rather between 7 to 20 and 7 to 60. Below 7 to 20, yes, 7180 is going to be the target. And in fact, this time it can also try to hit 7160 and 50 levels, 40 levels. So be careful with your positions. Do not trade between 7 to 20 and 7 to 60. Go long above 7 to 60. Expect 7300, 7320, 7350 levels. So in between these 40 points, stay cautious, stay alert, take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. And remember, stop loss is always your friend. Do not leave your friend anywhere while going for a trade, especially. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.